Hi, I'm Christina and welcome to ChriskaYoga. Today we will be doing a 15-minute basic Hatha yoga routine. This routine is great for beginners. It is also great for anyone looking to focus on the basics, get your yoga in for the day if you're short on time. So I hope you enjoy it. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell next to the subscribe button down below the video. It is free to subscribe here on YouTube. I would love to have you as a part of this community. I post weekly free yoga videos. So if you're ready, grab your yoga mat and let's get started. We're going to take our yoga block and come into hero pose, sitting on the block. So place your knees together and your feet out to the side. Tops of your feet are on the floor. Take your yoga block, place it on the medium height. That's where I like to keep it. You can place it on the lowest height if you'd like. You can stack two blocks on top of each other. Just be sure that your sits bones feel stable. So once you are settled on your block, your feet do not have to touch the block. Sit up tall, plant the two sits bones at the bottom of your pelvis into your block, and place your hands on your thighs. Close your eyes, come inward, and deepen your breath. Focusing your attention on your inhales and your exhales. Feel your chest opening and your spine lengthening with each inhale. Feel your rib cage coming in towards each other. Your ribs are coming in towards each other with each exhale as you release the breath out from your nose. Remain here for several deep breaths. Slowly come to open your eyes here. And from here, take your left hand, place it on the ground, tilting your torso over to the left. Reach your right arm up and over on the diagonal, looking up towards the ceiling. You can come up onto your fingertips or the palm of your hand, wherever you reach. Just remain even on both of your sits bones on your yoga block. Stretching the right side of your torso. Hold here. And slowly come back up through center. Switch sides. Take your right hand, tilt over to the right. Reach your left arm up and over on the diagonal, either coming up onto your fingertips or the palm flat on the ground, looking up, stretching the left side of your torso. Hold here. And slowly come back up through center, and you can come off of your block and set the block off to the side. From here, come to sitting on the ground. Bring your feet to meet each other at the center line of your body and your knees out to the side. Place your hands on your ankles or your feet, sitting up tall, and on your inhale, lengthen your spine. On your exhale, bring your head towards your feet, looking down in a forward fold. You can remain here keeping as much length in your spine as you can, looking down towards your feet. If you'd like a deeper hip stretch, you can place your elbows on your knees, and as you're folding forward, press your knees down towards the ground. It's optional, this hip stretch, this deeper hip stretch, so you can just remain in the forward fold if you would like. But wherever you are here, relax for a moment. Slowly come up out of your forward fold, bring your legs in and stretch your legs out in front of you. From here, bend the right leg and cross it over the left. Knee pointed upwards towards the ceiling. The right foot is flat on the floor. You can keep the left leg straight or bend it in if you are able to, bringing the left heel in towards the right glute, keeping both sits bones on the ground. Wrap your left arm around your right leg, bring your right arm behind you. Take an inhale, use your hands and arms to help you lengthen the spine, and then on your exhale, come to the twist. Looking as far behind you as you can, keeping the sits bones on the ground, lengthening your spine further with each inhale, deepening your twist just a bit, very gently with each exhale. Slowly unwind, coming back through center, uncross your legs, straighten them out once again, and switch sides, bending the left, knee pointed up, cross the left leg over the right, keeping the right leg straight, or if you're able to, bending that leg, bringing the right heel in towards the left glute. Once you're settled with your legs, wrap your right arm around your left leg, bring your left arm behind you. Inhale, lengthen the spine up. Exhale, twist your upper body around to the left. Looking behind you as much as you can today, breathing here. Lengthen your spine, each inhale, and with each exhale, twist a bit deeper than before. Slowly unwind, come back through center, uncross your legs here, and from here make your way up to standing. Standing up at the top of your yoga mat, either with your feet together or hips distance apart. When you have your feet hips distance apart, it provides just a bit more stability for some, depending on your proportions. So you have to test it out to see what works better for you, what feels better in your body. Bring your feet parallel to one another, toes pointed forward, standing up tall in mountain pose, hands down by your sides. On your next inhale, sit your hips back, reach your arms up and forward for Utkatasana, also known as fierce pose or chair pose. Sink your hips back, reach your arms up on the diagonal, palms facing each other. You should be able to lift your toes off the ground so most of your weight is behind you. Hold here for a moment. And from here, step the left leg back, coming into high lunge on the right. Lunging forward into the right leg, the back leg is straight and you're on the ball of your left foot. From here, take your hands to meet at the center of your chest. We're coming to a twist. Twist your upper body to the right. Bring your left elbow to your right thigh. Use your arms on your leg to help you twist. This is also a balancing pose. So if you come out of the balance, just come right back. It's totally fine. Using your arms to help you twist, looking up towards the ceiling, keeping the back leg energized. Continue to lunge forward into your right leg. Hold here. From here, engage your abdominal muscles. Come back through center. Reach the arms up. And then use your right leg, and you can bend the left leg a bit to kind of propel it forward, coming back through your Utkatasana, fierce pose. On your next inhale, stand up tall, straightening your legs. Exhale, release your hands down by your sides. Take a deep breath in and out in your mountain pose. And on your next inhale, we'll come back into our chair pose or fierce pose. Sit your hips back, reach your arms up and forward. Hold here, Utkatasana. And from here, shift your weight onto the left leg, step the right leg back, coming to high lunge on the left. The back leg is straight. You're on the ball of your right foot, lunging forward into the left leg. Make sure the left knee is tracking directly above the left ankle. From here, place your hands to meet at the center of your chest. We'll come to our twist in the opposite way, bringing the right knee, the right elbow towards the left thigh. Use your arms to help you twist around, looking up as much as you can. Breathe here in your twist. From here, engage your abdominal muscles. Come back through center, high lunge. Reach the arms up. And then use your legs to help you bring your right leg back in towards the left for Utkatasana, fierce pose once again. Inhale, stand up tall. Exhale, release your hands down by your sides. Take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. From here, place your hands on your hips. Bend your knees. With a straight spine, come to a forward fold. Place your hands on the ground and bend your knees further if your hands don't reach the ground. You want to be anchoring your hands or even just your fingertips down onto the ground. Relax your head over in your forward fold. Breathe here for a moment. And from here, bend your knees further to plant your palms flat onto the floor and just make your way down onto your knees. Touch your big toes together. Separate your knees slightly apart. Sit your hips onto your heels and then bring your forehead down to the ground. Drape your torso over your thighs for child's pose. Reach your arms out in front of you. Pressing your hips down towards your heels in that direction. Feel your back lengthening over your thighs. Relax here for a moment. And from here, we'll take a twist. Gently lift your head up. Take your left arm, thread it underneath the right, bringing the left side of your head to the ground, coming to your twist. Bring yourself up out of your twist, switch sides, right arm underneath the left, right side of your head to the ground. Hold here. Slowly come back through center, make your way up to a seated position. And from here, you have the option of coming into a Shavasana if you would like to, relaxing with your hands down by your sides, palms facing the ceiling, legs apart, relaxed completely. Close your eyes, deepen your breath, and remain here for as long as you'd like. If you'd like to end your class here with me, come to sitting in a cross-legged position. Flex your feet under your knees, bring your hands to your legs, sit up tall, deepen your breathing. And bring your hands to meet at the center of your chest. Bow your head to your fingertips. Namaste. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this class. If you liked it, hit the like button down below the video. It would really help the channel to grow. I would really appreciate that. Also, leave me a comment letting me know what you thought of the class. If you'd like more videos like this, any yoga class requests you would like to see on this channel coming up in the future. I take your requests, I see all of your comments, even if I don't get to replying to all of them, I see them, and I love to hear from you guys, so definitely leave me a comment down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you aren't already for free weekly yoga videos on this YouTube channel. Hit the subscribe button and the notification bell next to it, so you don't miss out on any upcoming yoga with me. Also, don't forget to check out my Facebook page, ChriskaYoga on Facebook. I also post weekly free yoga videos on there in addition to these, so that's just another place to catch even more yoga with me. So definitely head over to Facebook if you're on Facebook and follow that page as well. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time.